Now, let's go on and sit comfortable. Relax. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, deep in and out. Breathe deep in and out. Breathe deep in and out. Relax. 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 Very, very relaxed. Feel the chair where you're sitting. Feel your feet. Feel your hands. With the eyes closed, become aware of your surroundings. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breath in and out. Very, very relaxed. Imagine a bright light right at the top of your head, surrounding your head now, going down through your spine, relaxing every single muscle on the way. Very, very relaxed. This light is touching your face, your shoulder, your chest, your belly, your legs, your feet, your toes. This light is going down to the center of the earth. Now relax. Breathe in, deep in and out. Breathe deep in and out. One more time, very, very deep. Now, visualize the number 3, 3 times. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, visualize number 2, 3 times. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, very, very relaxed. Visualize number 1, 3 times. You are very deep now. Relax. Deep in. Very, very deep breath in and out. Through your nose, out to your mouth. Through your nose, out through your mouth. Relax. Relax. Very relaxed now. Now let's go and activate the power of the Star General. Every day and every way I am in command of my experience. Every day and every way I am awakening my courage. Every day and every way I am a powerful force. Every day and every way I am aligned with my actions. Every day and every way I am leading from consciousness. Every day and every way I am connecting with my will. Every day and every way I am stepping into my power. Every day in every way I am perfect truth in command. Now let's go and activate the power of the sun. Every day, in every way, I am a source of light to others. Every day, in every way, I am helpful to others. Every day, in every way, I am becoming aware of myself. Every day, in every way, I am becoming kind to others. Every day, in every way, I am a source of support to anyone who needs my support. Every day, in every way, I am developing empathy towards other human beings. Now, let's go and deactivate the energy of the 6 harms. Every day, in every way, I am forgiveness to myself and others. Every day, in every way, I am letting go emotional pain. Every day, in every way, I am expanding my consciousness towards my higher self. Every day, in every way, I am greatness forwards to others. Every day, in every way, I am source of support to every being that I meet. Every day, in every way, I am developing empathy towards others' beings, letting go guilt, pain, insatisfaction. Now, let's go and deactivate resentment. Every day, in every way, I am love to others and to other living creatures. Every day, in every way, I am accumulation of love energy. Every day, in every way, I am expanding my consciousness towards my light being and creating a new vibration. Every day, in every way, I am kindness extended towards others. Every day, in every way, I am forgiveness and love on each of my cells. Every day, in every way, I am restoring my DNA to love and light. Every day, in every way, I am divine light manifested in every cell of my being.